Assalamu grade 7 students. Again I am going to continue my lecture. As we studied previously about temperate desert and Mediterranean climate, the next topic is temperate grassland. On page number 7, unit number 2. So first of all, again we will study about the temperate grassland, as well as we will study about the Muslim countries, that in which Muslim countries such climatic region found. So today, before going to start my topic, again I am saying this, that you should open your book first, open page number 7, then play my video to make sure you understand my topic well. So temperate grassland, these are areas where it is reasonably warm but with fairly low rainfall, about 400 millimeter a year. Means their rainfall falls, but not very much, not in a large quantity, just fairly 400 millimeter a year. The natural vegetation is long grass with small shrubs and other plants. But in most of the Muslim world, these have been cleared from general farming. Means for farming purpose, many farmers clear the land by burning them or by cutting them. Cereal crops such as wheat and barley are grown in temperate grassland region. Fruits are also produced in temperate grassland, but with irrigation and wide variety of other plants, very less fruit are produced in temperate grassland. This climatic region is excellent for rearing of animals, especially livestock. In the Muslim world, like Turkey, Syria, Lebanon, Palestine, and parts of Jordan and Iraq, are naturally temperate grassland. Although the soil in most of Turkey is not exceptionally fertile, it is one of the very few countries in the world which can produce enough food of all kinds to feed all of its people without imports. Means Turkey does not need to import any sort of crop or any sort of food from other countries. It can grow enough food of all kinds to feed all of its people of Turkey. Map below, there is a map below the page which shows the part of the summer monsoon winds, which is our next topic, monsoon. Like on the map, the monsoon winds comes from the Bay of Bengal, Sri Lanka, and moves to India, then to Pakistan. So this is what? This is the movement of monsoon waves from Sri Lanka to Bay of Bengal, from Bay of Bengal to India, and then after India it comes to Pakistan. So again the video is stretched a lot. So if you have any sort of confusion about temperate grassland and you want to ask any question about temperate grassland, you can ask me in Google Classroom in the comment section and I will give you reply over there. Till my next video, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you very much.